Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm Cryptosi, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get Ruby from RubySwap using Egem. You could use this method to get basically any token that's been listed on RubySwap using the RubySwap exchange. So basically the link will be in the description below, but you want to go to exchange.rubyswap.finance. It should take you to this page. If it doesn't, it takes you to some other page. You want to go in this corner, click on trade, and then click on exchange. Okay, so not liquidity, exchange. I'll show you how to add liquidity in another tutorial. So connect your MetaMask to Egem. Uh, there's a tutorial for that as well, which I'll also link in the description. If you haven't ever connected to Egem before, this website will actually prompt your MetaMask browser to switch to the Egem network. If it does, you just say OK, click OK. So once you get here, it's extremely simple, extremely simple. So let's say, for example, we want to spend 100 Egem, and I want to buy, select currency, Ruby. In the future, this will be filled with all the other great tokens that join the Egem network once the DeFi gets all up and running. And right, so I've put in 100. It said insufficient Egem balance because I only have 10. There's my Egem balance. So for this tutorial, I'm going to swap 4. 4 Egems going to give me around 8 Ruby. That seems right. I'm going to click on swap. One thing you want to keep an eye on is this part down here. I don't know if my face is covering it, but next to price impact, you don't want that to be too high because that means you're not going to get the price that you want. This is only for whales, really. If you're going to spend a large amount of money, then you may push that price impact too high. So just be wary of that. Then you click swap. It'll tell you what you're swapping for. Egem for 8.3 Ruby, blah, blah, blah. Price impact is tiny. Confirm swap. Yes. Then you get this lovely little animation. And then up here, when your MetaMask opens, you want to scroll down to the bottom. Egem is running on the latest gas fees as done by Ethereum. So that will automatically estimate it for you. And all you have to do is click confirm. Transaction submitted. You can add Ruby to MetaMask. This is always a good idea. So you click add Ruby to MetaMask. And this will just add the Ruby token to your MetaMask wallet. Once you've added that, obviously you can click in here what's not obvious. You click in assets and then you can see what you've got. So that's completed. I now have 5.9975 Egem. There was a 0.0025 Egem fee. And I've got 8.349 Ruby. It's literally that easy and literally that quick. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and all that other good stuff. And yeah, enjoy RubySwap. Let's hope we get some more DeFi projects on there as soon as possible.